Those of you who have been devoted to Bilt Hamber's Autofoam for many years will likely be intrigued by the recent release of a new Snowfoam product from the same company. So what's different about the Bilt Hamber Touch-Less foam, and why would you consider making the switch to this newer, more environmentally friendly car cleaner? With so many excellent Snowfoam products out there, including Bilt Hamber's own Autofoam no less, what's the reasoning for releasing this pre-wash Snowfoam to market? Well, in short, to better protect your car's protection LSP and the environment. This has a slightly less pH than Autofoam, but we've had better cleaning results with the new Touch-Less. Unlike many Snowfoams, this solution is sugar-based, meaning it doesn't contain many of the nasty chemicals that are harmful to your paintwork and, more broadly speaking, the environment. What's great is that not only is the solution completely biodegradable, but it's also non-caustic, phosphate-free, solvent-free, and does not contain sodium hydroxide. So not only will it treat the environment well, but it will be kinder to your vehicle during the car detailing process. Lastly, as the name suggests, the idea of Touchless is that you don't need to touch the Snowfoam treatment. All you need to do is let it rest as it gets to work, and then you just wash it off with a pressure washer. Job done. How does it work? Is it as good as traditional Snowfoams? You prep and mix the solution in much the same way as the Autofoam. This particular product is meant to be used with pressure washers, but you can use a trigger or pump spray if you wish. The suggested PIR, panel impact ratio, is 4% for soiled vehicles and up to 5% for really dirty and grimy vehicles. If you're familiar with Bilt Hamber, you'll know all about PIR, but if not, there are straightforward calculations you can follow on the packaging to obtain the right concentration of Snowfoam. In terms of how it works, this particular Snowfoam is relatively thin and runny. So if you want your Snowfoam to really lather up a vehicle, this might not be the solution for you. However, its cleaning power is immense. In our experience, it's easily as good as Autofoam, if not better, and has the added bonus of being a sugar-based product. We've cleaned some cars with this product in the depths of winter, and it's performed incredibly well time after time, so it's a definite thumbs up from us. The only very slight gripe is that it's more expensive than Autofoam. However, with the improved performance, a kinder impact on paintwork and the environment, and the well-known longevity of Bilt Hamber products, you can rest assured that the extra few pounds are worth it. Bilt Hamber has created a product here that is every bit as good as their Autofoam standard setter.